a house, and we're just looking kind of top down on this property with a nice little green garden, and there's our house and the smart meter emitting its data. And like I say, it does this for 90 seconds every 24-hour period, and it's sending back your usage of electricity for that day. Now, it used to be that they would read your meter once a month or once every 2 months, and that was perfectly fine, but now they want to know what power you used every day. But let's pull back. Let's look at a whole community of houses here, and we can see as each wireless meter pulses out its 4 watts of your data to the world, how a whole community can be affected by other people's smart meters. Now, the health effects of this wireless technology has been looked at. Some people who, and we're talking scientists here, we're not talking about people on the internet who are unqualified or just have an opinion or heard something down the pub. We're talking about scientists who are saying, hang on a minute, we think we need to just hold back because we're immersing whole communities, babies, parents, grandparents, 24/7 with high-powered radio waves. So having a meter on your property pumping out radio waves all the time, and don't forget it's 0.1 watt all day and all night every day, and then it peaks at 4 watts for 90 seconds every day. You don't want one of these on your bedroom wall.